Good day everyone. Today we'll be learning about BE and ASES Competence-Based Assessment 1, and today we will be learning all about exploring research methodologies relevant to educational research. So educational research encompasses various methodologies tailored to investigate learning process, teaching strategies, educational policies, and many more. So in selecting a methodology is very important. So it is a research plan which in turn to determine what is actually be collected on how it will be analyzed. So today we will be learning about the two types of research design. So the first one is quantitative design, deals with numbers and statistics. So it utilizes numerical data and statistical analysis to measure the various and test hypotheses. So in quantitative data also, it collects and analyzes non-numerical data such as interview, case study, and observation. According also to Ramo 2009, it is used to understand the concept through experiences of the person, experiences of the variables. The second one is the qualitative design. So qualitative design deals with words and meaning. So it collecting and analyzing numerical data. The quantitative data is non-numerical data, while the qualitative data is numerical data such as statistical techniques. So in qualitative data, it focuses on the understanding and complexity of human behavior and experiences. Qualitative method also is valuable for exploring perceptions, attitudes, behaviors, what they call this, the social context of the educational setting. So there are three types of qualitative research. The first one is the historical design. So the second one is ethnographic research design. The third one is case study design. So let's tackle first the historical design. It involves critical inquiry of the past. So therefore, it attempts to broaden our knowledge because it is systematically collects, evaluates, and describe as well as explain the activities occurring on the past. So the second one is the case study. So case study follow a single subject and collect in-depth data to determine more general conclusion. So according to Calmarin 1998, it states that the case study is not only limited to conditions of maladjustment, it also applies to adjustment individual in the organization communities. So the next one is the ethnographic design. The instrument used in data gathering is usually observation, interview, and participation. So according to Ramo in 2009, ethnographic research design is participating in a community or in an organization for an extended period of time to closely observe the culture or the behavior in that specific settings. So these are the three qualitative research design. Historical design, which involve the critical inquiry of the past. Case study, follow a single subject and collect in-depth data to determine more general conclusion. And the last one is the ethnographic design, which is participating in the community or data gathering. So now we will go through the types of quantitative types of quantitative research design. There are three also: descriptive design, casual comparative, and experimental design. Descriptive design. Sanchez 1998 explains that descriptive research includes all studies that purport to present facts concerning the nature and the status of anything, a group or of person, a number of objects, a set of conditions, a class of events, and a system of thought, or any other kind of phenomena which one may be used to study. So in descriptive design, it is most commonly used method to investigate in the educational research because it is more easier to conduct as compared to others design. The next one is the casual comparative design. Casual comparative design is a method used to identify cause-effect relationship between independent and dependent variables. So in casual design, it is a methodology used to identify the cause, yes, and effect. So it involves selecting two or more groups that differs of particular variables of our interest, comparing them on another variables or variable. Like it says here that two or more groups. So this is where we're gonna differ them. So attempts to determining the cause or consequences of differences. I mean, is that it already exists between the individuals or among the group of individuals. The last one is the experimental design. So situated in which different types of variables are controlled and manipulated to establish cause and effect relationship. So according to Raimo in 2009. So in experimental design, it is where the researchers needs to explore the nature, characteristic, relationship, and differences of one or more person, one or more members. So to observe the effects, the cause and effects of them. So it is also the most powerful educational research because the researchers manipulate changes that inputs or independent variables to see the effect on the dependent variable. So in experimental also it also employs to control the experiment to investigate the effects of educational intervention, instructional methods, or educational technologies on the learning outcome of all the experimental design. So that is the three quantitative research design. The first one is the descriptive design. Second one is the casual comparative design, and the last one is the experimental design. So that's all about exploring research methodologies in educational research.